Hello everyone and welcome to Grammar Level 1 Exercise 6. Today's sentences are going to focus primarily on prepositions. So at the top, the date, the month, the day of the year, Grammar Level 1 Exercise 6. I'll show you the three sentences. As usual for exercises, why don't you go ahead and hit pause right now. Fill in every single word. Start with the ones that you know for sure. Don't forget to look for free answers. And then take some light penciled guesses at the ones you're not sure of. Go ahead and hit pause. Go ahead and start me back up when you're ready for some answers and some quick explanations. All right, so here we go. I'm going to look at the first sentence here. I'm looking for free answers, a, an, or the. I don't have any. I'm going to look for some concrete nouns. Friend, that's a noun. Concrete noun, pretty easy. Don't see any others. I'm going to try some action verbs. Left looks like an action verb, and finish also looks like a pretty easy action verb. All right, now, do I have anything that describes type of friend? Yes, your friend. That's going to be an adjective because it's modifying a noun. Finish last. I is a pronoun. Left before you. Okay, so now I've got you. You is a pronoun. Before, this is our preposition, and it's showing the relationship between you and left. In this case, it's a relationship of time. I left before you. Over here, last looks like it should be a preposition. However, there's nothing over here. There's nothing there, so it's not showing the relationship of anything. As a matter of fact, it's modifying how he finished, which is a verb, so that makes this an adverb. Now we have in between two big ideas. Your friend finished last and I left for you. This is a conjunction. It's also one of the 7 coordinating conjunctions. Down to the second sentence. I sent the letter to you, so it was in your mailbox. I'm going to check for free answers. Got it. This is an adjective. I'm going to go ahead and use that to say the what? The letter. That means this has to be a noun. Any others? Don't see any. Mailbox looks like an easy noun. Is in your sent is an easy action verb. Okay, so I is a pronoun. That was a pretty easy one there. To you. You is a pronoun. Your would be a possessive adjective, but we're saying you here. Your, there it is an adjective describing the mailbox, which is a noun. Okay, it is in your. It looks like a pronoun to me. The antecedent of it, by the way, is letter. All right, so it is a pronoun. Okay, so what we have here is a verb. It's tricky to see that, however, because it's not an action verb. It's a linking verb. I could say it equals in your mailbox. Okay. Now, in here is our preposition, and I'll show you how. The letter, or it in this case, is in your mailbox. It could be beside your mailbox, under your mailbox, showing the relationship of space. Over here we have the letter to you. This is our preposition as well. Okay, prepositions are usually followed by nouns or pronouns. So letter, to has a pronoun after it, and and in has a noun after it. So is and, but, or, nor, for, so yet. It's one of the 7 coordinating conjunctions. That's it for sentence 2. Let's try sentence 3. No, I do not sit beside Cindy. She sits across the room. This one might be tricky for some. For me, it's a free answer. This is an interjection, and I know that because it has no grammatical value on the rest of the sentence. Usually words like yes, no, ouch, hey, those all tend to be interjections. I is a pronoun. Okay, but I'm getting carried away. Do I have any free answers first? Sure do. Adjective. The what? The room. That's a noun. Okay, across the room. This looks like a preposition already. Let me see. Across, sits shows a relationship between the sitting and the room. I could sit in the front of the room, across the room, around the room. This is a preposition. Okay, sits looks like an action verb to me. She is a pronoun. The antecedent of she would be Cindy. Cindy is a noun, proper, concrete. All right, sit is a verb. It's an action verb, although there's not a whole lot of action in that verb. Sit beside. Beside is showing the relationship between Cindy and sit. This is a preposition. All right, here's where I really threw in a curveball. In the previous exercise, I had you underline a main verb and its helping verb. Helping verbs help establish tense, when a verb actually happens. If I say, I do not sit next to Cindy, that means right now, currently, I'm not sitting next to her. So this established present tense. So do is a helping verb. Typically, we would leave that blank under here. I'm going to put a very light HV just to show you that we have answered this, but this is a helping verb and it goes with the verb sit. The big question is not. What is its function in this sentence? What other word does it impact? Not what? Not sit. This is an adverb. Those are the answers for grammar level 1, exercise 6.